Hello, I'm Richard Fairbairn and I want to welcome you to Mastering Affiliate Marketing for JVZoo from beginner to 1%. Now here is my public profile. Now on my public profile you can see here that I am a top 1% affiliate on JVZoo. So you can see my little badges there. Now in this ebook I'm going to show you how to go from beginner to top 1%. So let me show you what you get in this ebook. In this ebook, it will show you how to become a top affiliate marketer on JVZoo. It covers all the strategies that you need, techniques, and everything else to scale your account. Now, the ebook is free. All you need to do is add your name and email, and I will give you this ebook for free. Now, as a little bit of a bonus, I'm also going to give you a free checklist and a free audio book that matches the ebook as well. And if you act very quickly, I'm also going to give you PLR rights to the ebook as well. All you need to do to claim the ebook is add in your name and email, click download your ebook, and it will take you across to the page where you can download the ebook and the free bonuses as well. So thanks for watching and see you on the inside.